Hello, good evening, everyone, and welcome to the day 4 of live on Flipkart Loan Bootcamp. So, first thing first, what can you guys let me know first thing that if I am visible to you and my audio is audible to you properly or not? If it is, then please let me know in the comment section, the live comment section. Just let me know, guys, if you are able to listen to me carefully and my video is properly working, audible and visible. Thank you so much for letting me know, Hemchandran. Okay, perfect. So can you guys let me know what we have seen in the previous video, in the previous boot camp? Okay, in the previous boot camp video, what we have seen. Just let me know in one line that we have seen this things and all these things, something like that. In one short. Perfect. I think now I have to put it over. Hello. Uh, Hello. Hello. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Now I think it is audible properly to you. Just let me know and just confirm once. Yes. Perfect. Okay. So now I think we can start off with the session. It's been 4 minutes already. Okay. Perfect. So yeah. Just let me know, guys, what we have learned in the previous bootcamp video. What we have seen actually. Just let me know in one line, and we'll be starting with the today's session. No worries. What we have seen in the previous video. Just let me know in one line. Okay, perfect. So yes, we have seen categories, and apart from that, also we have seen DOM, that is document object model, and how to align all these categories on our home page that we have seen. Perfect. Now, today, what we are going to see. Okay, actually, I have already promised you yesterday that today in today's bootcamp, we are going to create one sign up page, right? But before that, what we are going to do. Okay, so before that, I have one thing for you to do. Just pay attention. This is very simple thing, right? So you might have observed that if you go on the Flipkart website or any other e-commerce website, you might have observed, okay, the navbar that we are having on the top. So let's say if you are moving on to this TV and appliances pages. So if you see, the navbar is not changing. Navbar remains constant all over the pages. If you go on any page, let's say this car, bike, and more. Okay, so if you see like the page is constant, like page is changing, but the navbar is not changing. Navbar is constant. So we have created our one navbar, as you can see over here, right? Then we want this navbar to reflect on our different pages, right? Then how we can get it, right? So the thing for that is, I will tell you, one secret is there. First thing first, what I'm gonna do. Okay, I am gonna take this nav tab, whole nav tab that I'm having over here, up until this particular point. Okay, I'm take whole nav thing, copy down this thing, and what I will do, I will as of now create one another file, guys, with the name as simply stated as navbar.html. So what I have done, I have simply take the nav tag, like whole code of nav tag, and I have simply just copy it and paste it over here in the different page with the name navbar.html. Apart from that, nothing else. It is a very simple thing. Okay, and attendance I will take in the last of session. I have one important thing to tell to you. Okay, I have an important task for me. Okay, there is one important task for me to tell you. It is a very interesting news for you as well. Okay, it is a very interesting announcement from my side, from DevTown side. It will really help you to grow in your life. But again, before that, pay full attention. 45 minutes of full attention I want of all of you, and then we will shift on to that thing. Perfect. Then, okay, as you can see, what we have done, we have simply taken the nav tag, whole nav tag from the index.html page. We have cut it from there and we have simply pasted it over here in the navbar.html page. But again, we also want to attach this index.css file with my nav tab. What I will do, I will simply say link tag, and in href I will simply give the link of this index.css file. I will simply attach it over here, as simple as that. Right now, again, one more thing. Now what I want in this index.html, now if you go back to, if you just go back over here simply, and if you refresh the page, you can see that our whole index is gone. Our nav bar is gone from this particular website. Correct. Now, how to get it over here on this index.html page? Still, if you see, I have removed the code from this particular index.html page. How to get it? Now, one tag for that is you need to include this script. Okay, what does this script means? Okay, it is nothing but just what you can say, a script to include jQuery in my code. Okay, I will share this code with you. Don't worry, you will be going to get this thing as well. So this is just a link for embedding jQuery in your system. Very simple, right? Okay. So the next thing is to use this particular code. I am going to use one code, guys. If you see over here, okay, I will just go down and I will, sorry, I'm going to say this, but I'm going to say use this particular function. Okay, now what does this function means? We don't have to worry about this thing. This function simply means I'm writing one function which is having one container, and in that container I want to load which page. So I want to load one navbar. Okay, so I will go back and simply say dot slash. and enter navbar.html. But again, I need to create one empty box for that. Correct now. So the empty box will be something like this. Let's say I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna say, let's say, take div and give it ID of container. Should be container, something like this. Perfect. And just make sure the spelling is right. So it's container. Perfect. I have simply just say container. See, I have given ID equal to container over here, right? Apart from that, I have written that in my container, capture this container and load my navbar.html page. In short, is what I'm saying. So class will be for 40-45 minutes. Okay, it's a very short class, but again, the concepts are important. So just make sure you are paying full attention, guys. Correct. Okay, now if you go back on index.html, okay, you see some things are not sorting out over here, I guess. What I will do, we'll go back over here. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna say use script tag and paste function. I think we can use more than one script tag. Okay, perfect. Okay, so the thing is, see what I have done. I will tell you one more time. I will tell you one more time what I have done. See, previously in this body tag in the index.html page, we were having our nav tag. Inside that, I am having complete code of my navbar, right? But instead of that, what I have done, I have just removed that code from there, and instead of that, I have created one new page, navbar.html. As simple as that, nothing else, right? And then if you go over here in the index.html, what I have done, to use that navbar over here. So I have created one div. It means I have just used one div tag. I have given it a ID of ID container, right? And then after that, I have used one script tag over here. As you can see, in that I am running one function. It's a jQuery function, which is used to load the content of another HTML file even in your current HTML file, right? So the current HTML file, which is index.html, I want one navbar.html page to run, to add over here. So it is simply added, as you can see in the results. Okay, we are having navbar and we are having index.html. So the very next thing that I wanted to do is today is to create one page by the name signup.html. Signup.html, because our today's agenda is to tell you guys how to create sign up page, how to store the data of user who is going to sign up on our website in the local storage of Chrome browser is the agenda of today. So I'm gonna say title it as, let's say, sign up, as simple as that. Okay, but before that, I need to go back into my navbar.html page as well. If you're having any doubt regarding these certificates and all the different things, okay, I will get back to you. Someone from our team get back to you. Perfect. Don't worry about that things. As of now, just focus on what I am teaching you guys. The comment section is full of certificate, attendance. Okay. I don't think so anyone is paying attention to what I am teaching today. Pay attention. About certification, about attendance, I will talk later words. Perfect. So just stay focused and listen to me carefully what I'm teaching. This is the very important thing which I'm teaching today. Right? Perfect. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in the navbar.html page and I want to say, let's say what I want now. So whenever someone goes over here in my navbar and clicks on this sign up button, okay, he should be able to move to signup.html web page. Clear? This is the funda. Now what I will do for that, see, I'm going to go down. Where is my sign up? Okay. Over here is my sign up. I'm going to say use anchor tag. I'm going to use anchor tag instead of in it. I'm going to place this sign up and I'm going to say // in href. And whenever someone clicks on you sign up, just carry forward that person to signup.html. As simple as that. Do you guys understanding me? Are you guys understanding this thing? Let me know. Are you guys with me? Still people are talking about certificates and attendance. Please guys focus on learning. I'm saying this last time. Now, otherwise I will not focus on the chat. Whatever you are guys are asking me. Just focus on the thing what I'm teaching you. Okay, perfect. I think everyone is with me. So I'm gonna say now, okay, href so I have added. Now if I go into sign up and see over here is the sign up dot thing. If I clicked on sign up, okay, I think I haven't saved this particular code or something like that. Still is not getting reflected. Let me see one more time what I have, where I have gone wrong. Okay, it is sign up page. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some content inside it. Let's say this page is called sign up page. As simple as that. Save this, and now if we again go back and see if it is working. Okay. Apart from that, what I can do as of now instead of that, okay, this is the very serious problem that I will tell you why this is not working. Option things, why option things are not working. Okay, perfect, perfect. I will get back to you on that case as well. Apart from that, let me try one more thing. I do something like this. If I go and paste it over here, let's say as of now, something like this, and go back and use anchor tag, close anchor tag outside this. Let me try this thing. If it is not working, then yeah, there is another way for doing it. Yeah, website is fully loaded. There is no issue with the website. Okay, perfect. Now what I'm going to do, if these things are not working, I will simply say remove this select tag as of now. In simple, remove this select tag from over here and just use my anchor tag, whatever I'm having over here. I'm going to use now the anchor tag, but again, I need to use some properties of anchor tag over there. See, now if I save this thing, if I just go back to here, I'm having sign up, but it is coming in blue color, of course. Now if I click over there, now I'm getting to sign up page. Of course, it will work. Okay, there is no doubt in that thing. I've simply used this thing by the name anchor tag. But again, what I will do, I will now gonna use the inline style for this, and I'm gonna say text decoration. I'm going to say none. I don't want any text decoration. Apart from that, if you see the font color, simply I need to write font color. And font color I want, let's say, as black only as of now. Oh, sorry. Perfect. Okay, so the font color is black. Right. So if someone goes and click on sign up, he will be redirected to signup.html page. Perfect up till now. Then what I want one more time is I am going to use the same funda that I have used on index.html page. I am going to use the script tag which is used there for jQuery, because see, on if you see on sign up page as well, there is one navbar. So we also want navbar on sign up page to show to the customers, right? So the very useful thing for that is to use this particular script for embedding the jQuery, and another script which is used for embedding this thing, that is navbar. So go back one more time, embed this script again, and again in body, I need to write one, what you can say, div with the ID as container, something like this. Okay, so what I have done just now is I have used emit to create one div tag with ID container. How? Just write div, use hashtag if you want to give ID, and write the ID name. Hit enter. Now, if you can see, we are having ID container. Perfect. Anyone? Any doubts? Anyone? Any doubts? Doubt? People, jQuery JavaScript is used for what? So jQuery and JavaScript is used for manipulating the manipulating the web pages. If you want to do something on event click, if you want to do something on hovering on something, if you want to take the form data from the HTML, CSS tags, right? So for that, JavaScript is used. JavaScript is like a functional programming. Okay, it is having a functions. So we can say JavaScript as the backbone again for building the web pages. Okay, perfect. For building the dynamic web pages, more specifically, is what I'm saying. Right. Sir, provide this JavaScript code. Of course, I'm gonna provide to you. People are saying no, sir. For what thing? Okay, no worries. I think we can continue over this thing. If I go back onto the sign up, signup.html, you can see we are having one good navbar over here. But again, if you see that like from top, we are having some space. So the very like simple thing for that I can do is I can create one page, signup.css. I can say for this root, just make padding and this margin 0, because by default there is some padding and margin for every page in CSS. Perfect. And again, I can say margin also 0. Sorry, 0% or something like that, or 0% only I can say. Perfect. And again, I need to embed this particular link of my signup.css. So link tag I'm going to use dot slash and signup.css. Perfect. Okay, guys. So if we go now, what is like properly attached to the top of the screen. Why today's class strength is very less? Don't know, man. What is the thing? Perfect. Okay. So the next thing that I'm going to do is, yeah. So now the next thing that I'm going to do now is to create a sign up page. Okay, the very simple sign up page we are going to create. If you go on the official website of Flipkart and if you click on this sign up option, okay, you can see there is one simple box and something like that. So what I'm going to do, instead of phone number, okay, we are going to take name of the candidate who wants to register on this website and phone number as well. Okay, we are going to take two things, because in case we are not using the database, correct, we are using local storage. So for that purpose, I'm going to use mobile number and the name of the candidate, as simple as that. Okay, just to let you know that how to store the things in the local storage. And tomorrow we are going to see login functionality as well. Apart from that, how to embed how to use all the display all the products. We are going to take the example of any of the products, let's say t-shirts of men and something like that, or furniture maybe. Perfect. Right. Then drop your Instagram ID. Why do you want, guys, my Instagram? Why you want my Instagram? I'm not understanding this thing. Just focus on class. Whatever things are there, we'll sort out after this class. Just focus on class as of now, please. Okay, perfect. Now, what I'm gonna do? Okay, so now as you can see, we are having one box over here. Okay, perfect. And apart from that, on this box, we are having two sections. One section is of this blue color, and second section is, let's say, white, and having these buttons and something like this. Okay, as of now, perfect. Now, what I'm gonna say simply, okay, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to take one div. Yes, inside of that div, I want another div, right? But I'm going to give it an ID of, let's say, outer box as of now. And for this inner div, I'm going to say your ID is inner box. As of now, it is perfect. Correct. And again, inside this inner box, I want to divide this inner box in two equal sections. Okay, one one section will belong to this particular thing, look like you are new over here, and one section belongs to this particular area. Correct. Okay, perfect. Now, the very first thing that I'm gonna do is to add the content over here. I'm gonna say this. Just copy this. Perfect. Go back to the code. Use some tag. Let's say I'm gonna use p tag only for all of the content. And this second line. I will be using in some another tag, another p tag, let's say. Perfect. Just save the things. Now I am going to go back to this signup.css. Okay, so now I'm going to start writing my code. I'm going to say for outer box what I want now. Perfect. So let's say I want for my outer box to be display as, sorry, it should be display as flex. Perfect. And the flex direction can be anything, but I want as row only. And I want to justify the content in the center. Right. And apart from that, I also want to align them in the center, let's say. Perfect. And yeah, I think for this particular thing, my job is done. Now for inner box, what I want, if you just go back in the inner box, and here also if you can say simply display as flex, and bootstrap we are going to use. Okay, bootstrap we are going to use for different purpose. No worries. I'm going to share that thing as well. Okay. So display flex, and okay, I don't want any justify content or something like that. Let us just go on this page and see how these things are coming. Okay, perfect. We are having this content over here. No offense, nothing. And the very next thing that we are getting is this box is having one white background. Apart from that, there is nothing. So for my whole inner box, if you see background color is white, and I also want to give it a width. So let's say 80% of width. I'm gonna capture the entire width. We go and see. Yeah, it is kind of good. But I think 80% is not too much. I'm gonna say okay, 60%. Let us go and see. Yep, I think this is fine. Okay, perfect. And again, apart from that, I want to give margin top to this particular upper thing. So yeah, 10 pixel of upper margin if you see for the box, yeah, kind of looking perfect only. Right. Okay. Then next I want to give a height. So height, I would say, let's say 300 pixel. Okay, we need to keep checking these things if they're perfect or not. Okay, it is not looking perfect. I think 400 pixel. I think if we see 400 pixel is still not perfect, the final option is to go with the 500. I think, yeah, that is fine. Perfect. Yes. It is created now. Okay. The very next thing I'm going to do is go and use this color pick eyedropper. I'm going to use this color, copy this color code, the hex code that we are having, and I need to use it in these sections, and I'm going to give them a class ID, let's say. So class ID is left inner box. Okay, just make sure while giving ID or class name, they should be perfect. Okay, you should be able to identify them after seeing their styles, like, okay, this is this box and something like that. Correct. I'm gonna go back to signup.css and say dot left inner box. Okay. Uh, okay, it is left inner box, and I'm gonna say background color of hashtag this. Oh, sorry, it is not this actually. I think I need to copy it one more time. The color that we have used. Okay, so that is the X color code. Just simply copy it and paste it. Perfect. Okay. It is added, but again, I need to change the color of the text present. It is white. And if we go back, yes, it is kind of looking perfect only. Yes. Okay. No issues. Okay, up till this point we are sorted. Now I'm just going to copy this image. Okay, if you see this image, I'm not able to copy. If we just right click on this, now I'm going to inspect this thing, and yeah, I know that this particular image that you can see on the bottom of the page, correct, this image. Okay, I'm going to go inspect this page and click on this particular cursor, and now you will, sorry, I think I need to click it one more time. Now, if you click on that particular thing, you just see inside this div tag over here. That is basically the background image that you are seeing over here. Okay, let me just elaborate it a little bit more. The second tag, perfect. Let me go and try. Okay, I will do one thing. I will refresh this particular page. Last day of the project, GitHub log push. Sir, my is written incorrect. The certificate, how can I get? Oh, again, certificate. Yeah, of course, I'm going to share my LinkedIn profile with you. Don't worry. What we want as of now is to get. Okay, first, what will we do apart from that? Okay, just leave it as of now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create this particular form and we'll tell you first of all how to add the data into the local storage. Okay, we are short in time today, so don't worry about that thing. Okay, I will figure it out how to do that thing. But again, before that, let me add some font size and font family to all of them. So for inner box, which font family I want to use, let's say I'm going to use this font family as sans serif. Perfect. And okay, the font weight and all this thing, I'm gonna just write it over here in the style. Okay. For this thing, I want my font weight to be bolder or bold, as simple as that. And I can also specify the font size over here. So it can be something around, let's say, 30 or something like that. I think 25 is sufficient as of now. Apart from that, I'm gonna use this padding of, let's say, 12 pixel each. Perfect. And I'm gonna copy the same style tag and paste it over there on the downside for the below text. Perfect. But this time we don't want that like that much size of this thing. Just save this thing and go back and see if it is looking perfect or not. Yeah, it is kind of looking perfect only. But again, we also want them to have some kind of margin from the top. So here I can say simply margin top uh, 12 pixel. Okay, attendance is not over. Okay, so we are creating dynamic pages. That means whatever we are, let's say this is the form that we are creating. Okay, and whatever we are gonna send, whatever we are gonna type in, that data will go onto the local storage. That is our motto. Okay, yes, you need a laptop or a PC to complete this particular project. It will be really, really helpful for you as well. So make sure you are having the things with you. So it is 20 pixel margin top, copy it again, perfect. Okay, that is the right into the box as of now that we have created a very simple right into the box. And then comes the main part, that is the form that we are going to create. In form, we are having enter mobile number, this thing. Okay, I'm just first let me copy the things that we are having. In p tag, I'm going to add it. And then again, I'm having one div. Inside div, I'm going to say input. Okay, and then we are having placeholder, which is saying enter mobile number. And then again, apart from that, let's have one another input tag, okay, which is saying placeholder, enter your name. As simple as that. Okay, are you guys getting this thing? What we have done and something like that? What we have done up till now? Sir, P is used for para, right? Yes, P is for paragraph actually. Perfect. Okay. Now, if we go back and if we just go back and see on the web page what we have taken. Okay, so we have used basically two different tags. Okay, perfect as of now, and the policy and something like that. Okay, it is all fine, right? And now I'm gonna say take this right inner box. I want to add some styles to it. So I will say something like this: that dot class name, because it's a class. That's why I have used dot. Okay. Now I'm gonna set first the font family. I want only one font family, that is a sans serif. Apart from that, I don't want anything. And display also I want as flex, but which flex? I need to give the direction. Direction is column. I don't want like every content to be aligned as what we can say horizontally. Perfect. So I think you are understanding these things. Correct. Now if I go back to signup.html and let's try to add one more thing. Let's try to take this div separately, and also I will take this div separately. Okay, correct, perfect. So now if I go and see, yes, I'm having one enter mobile number and enter your name. Okay, perfect. Only one thing that you can see is the font size of this particular text is little bit low, and we are having two different buttons. One is continue and second button is saying existing user logged in. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna go now the bottom and say create button. One button is saying continue. Okay. And another, oh sorry, I need to do one thing. I need to embed all the buttons inside one div tag, because of course I want them to work as display block. And I'm going to use another tab button which is saying existing user logged in. So it is saying if you are existing user, instead of doing sign up, just log in. Perfect. Okay, now if I go back and see how the things are working, okay, I'm having these two buttons and all these things are there, correct? But if we see what we have done, actually we have created this button outside our right box. So I'm gonna copy it and add it inside it, something like this. Okay, and now if you see, yes, we are having like all of the things like they are, I think, working fine and something like that. But again, I do want to change the things. So I'm gonna say use style tag over here. Okay, style attribute just to style this particular button, and I'm gonna say border as none. If you see for this continue button on the original website, there is no border. Okay, so border is none. Okay, perfect. And the background color, if you see, the background color is orange. And apart from that, what is there? Text content is white. So I can say color of the text is of course white. And font width, if we see, kind of bolder. It is not fully bold, but yeah, kind of bolder only. Okay. And then if you see the font size, so it is, I think it is, I guess, 22 pixel, around 22 pixel. Correct. Okay. If you go back and see now on the side, oh, we are having something like this. Okay. I think the font size is too much high. We don't want this much. Okay. Correct. And if you see how much width they want, so I would say 90% of the width we want to capture, and how much padding do we want? So padding of, let's say, 9 pixel I want on my button. something like this. So I think it is kind of perfectly working, but just we need to check this color if it is orange or not. I think this is not perfect orange, but again, no worries. Just copy whatever color is there using this color pick eyedropper, and you can change it over here. Instead of this background color, just simply paste it. You need to use hashtag because it is a hex code. So use hashtag, and yeah, your things are sorted out. Now, if you go back and see, yeah, it is kind of looking good, not bad, but yeah, kind of looking good only. Perfect. And same for the existing user. Okay, only the color and something, the color and matter will change. Okay, rest the styles are same. Okay, sir, my is written in take fusion. Take fusion. Attendance is not done, and video quality is 720. Make sure you are turning on your 720 quality, 720p quality on your YouTube channel, on your YouTube. Okay, you don't need to implement this thing with me, guys. Just focus on what I'm doing currently. Okay, and after this class, you can go rewatch the video and do the thing. Correct. So no worries as of now. No need to worry. Perfect. So what I will do now, I will yeah. I have copy pasted all the things. I just need to change the color. Perfect. So the color over here is kind of I can say gray, something like this. Existing user or login. Okay, something like that. So background color is kind of gray, and the font color. Okay, font. This particular color of this is blue, kind of blue. I have saved all this thing. If I go back, okay, just refresh the thing. Okay, I think I need to change this thing in next step that we are having. Okay, so I've copied it, the style, and I'm gonna paste it simply over here. Okay, so if you see what I have changed from these things is just the color. Okay, and color I want here is okay, blue color, something like that. And if you go back now and see, okay, it is kind of perfect. I think the color is not perfect, but still we can manage to change it. So I don't want the font width to be this much. And apart from that, if I have to see what existing extra thing is there is this particular hex code. Okay, instead of using that whole blue color, dark blue color, I can use this hex code. Perfect. Div tag is used to divide the element. No, my friend, div tag is a block level, block scope element which will capture the entire width. Correct, which will capture the entire width. Okay, so that is the thing. And again, if instead of that, if I am giving, let's say, white smoke color, something like this, perfect. And now if I see, I think this continue and existing user kind of looking great, kind of looking good only. Okay, don't worry about it. We will fix it up. Okay, and here I need to do one style as well, which is going to be display lex, something like this, and justify content to center. If I do, let me see if it is going to center or not. Yes, it is coming to center. So basically instead of this div, if you want to make anything, okay, instead of div, whatever tag is there, if you want to make that tag in the center of the page, what you will do, you will use display flex property and just justify content center. Correct. Division, see, division don't have any of its meaning. Division is just a tag inside which we are gonna kept our whole data. Okay, and it is a block level element. I think I have explained this thing in the first day of this particular bootcamp, right? Okay, perfect. So the project kya hoga? Project is this only. I will kept one page for you to build. Okay, you have to complete that page. You have to upload the code. I will explain that thing on the last day. Don't worry about it. Perfect. So again, apart from that, I also need to give some margins. I think some margin from the top, then it will look kind of good. So margin top, I will say 10 pixel for each of them. I will copy this content and paste it over here. Okay. One secret is there. See, once you learn CSS, guys, once you learn CSS, okay, after that, if you are learning this Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS or Material UI and Tailwind CSS is kind of same thing. Okay, it will make your work little bit easy. Not little bit, it will make your work very easy. To show you, I will show you some examples as well how to use Tailwind CSS. It is literally very easy thing. So to give you one example, see, in style, what I have written border none, or for background color, what I have written background color full spelling, and then the color code. So in Tailwind CSS, I simply just need to write BG dash and the color name, whatever I want. Very shortcut, like shortcuts are there. Too much shortcuts are there. Okay, it will make your CSS practice like very good, and it will make you pro basically is what I'm saying. Correct. Okay, perfect. Next thing, if you go back over here and see now, I think they are kind of looking perfect. But again, I think the font size that we have done, that font weight that we have used is not perfect. Is not perfect anymore. Again, I think the font size that we have used, it is also not perfect over here. I think if I keep it just 20, then it will be fine. But let us see. Yes, it is fine, kind of fine only. And again, if you see, there is some border radius. For giving border radius, this is very simple thing. That is give border radius and write 10 pixel, because we want only 10 pixel of border radius. And go back, paste it over here again. I think yes, kind of looking not good. Instead of 10 pixel, what I will do, I will say just use 5 pixel. Just make border radius 5 pixel. And now if you see, it is kind of looking perfect. Okay, don't go on DB backend right now. I'm not going to go on DB backend right now. I think today we'll not be able to complete that thing, but let us just finish the CSS of this page. And tomorrow I'm going to tell you how to store your data on the local storage, how to sign up the user, and how to logging the user. That we are going to see whole login functionality in tomorrow's video. So be prepared for tomorrow's video. But again, before that, make sure you are completing this particular page. Okay. Sir, Minecraft kilo. What is this nonsense things that people are commenting? I don't understand. Like the Minecraft kilo. I don't like Minecraft, by the way. Perfect. Sir, using inline is not good. So why are you using inline style instead of external style? See, Anand, the thing is, people are saying inline style is not good. The reason being, if you are using normal CSS, like just like the CSS, this is the standard CSS that we are using. If you are using normal CSS, then again, it is not a good idea to use it over here. But again, if you are going with the Tailwind and Material UI, it will be good. And why I'm using it over here, just to showcase you, like, okay, like for this div we have applied this style. Okay, after the class, what I will do, I will remove this style from over here. I will add one ID. I will paste that code over here in the signup.css. Okay, and I will give you a completely clean code. Okay, it is just for you guys to know that okay, we have applied this particular styles to this tag. It is just for you, right? Okay, perfect. And then what I will do, apart from that, if you see, we are having this all things clear. Now I need to make sure this input box are coming onto the center of the page. That thing I need to make sure. Again, apart from that, everything is perfect, I guess. So one thing I will do, I will use this property display flex and content justify content to the center to all these input tag. So I am going to say use style tag, paste the whole code. Okay, perfect. Use style tag, paste the whole code, justify content center. Okay, and if you see now, I think content is Okay, of course it is coming to the center. Again, we don't have any issue with that. And for this by containing you agree the, okay, I need to also make this content the center of the page. Okay, so I'm gonna say text align center, something like this. Okay, now if you listen to me carefully, this p tag and this div tag, they both are block level tag. That's why when I did this thing, text align center, every content is aligning to the center of the page. That is the thing. Okay, how to see image on web view after running the HTML. I'm not getting your questions. Can you guys please ask it one more time? Soumeshri, just ask me one more time. Sir, will this test site have the same layout when open on mobile phone? It is gonna have the same. Yes, it is gonna have the same layout on mobile on web pages. Okay, perfect. Sir, I'm not able to make sign in and cart. See, I am always uploading this code on the GitHub, and again, I will share the GitHub link in today's class as well. Okay, in some time there the code is uploaded. Just see how I have implemented it. Okay, make sure you are practicing it, not just seeing it and leaving it. Correct. So that is the thing. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do first, okay, it is all coming to the center of the page. That is what all I want. But again, apart from that, for this input tags as well, I want to add some style. So I can say, let's take a width how much I want. Let's say you want a width of 70% of the width of the above tag, that is div tag. Okay, so it will capture the 70% width of the above div tag. I'm going to use this input. Okay, 70%, 70%. At 70% is kind of fine. Okay, also we need to give them some height. So I'm going to select it using Control D, both of the tag at the same time. I'm going to say, oh, sorry. I'm going to say margin top basically. And margin top, you can have, let's say 10 pixel as of now. It is perfect for you as correct. And again, you can have some height if you want to have 10, 20 pixel of height is perfect. If you wanted to see, save it and see. Again, I think 20 pixel of height is not perfect for you, man. You can have 25%, 25 pixel of height. Correct. Okay, perfect. I think 25 pixel of height is perfect. And if I have to talk about the border, if I say none, then also it will look perfect. Something like this. But again, I need to have some entry points over there as well. Correct. Yeah, this is the thing that we have done. Apart from that, what extra thing that we need to add is margin top for every box. So let's say 20 pixel I'm adding directly now. So by adding 20 pixel, it is coming over here. Okay, perfect. And for this content that we are having, if I say margin top, again 25 pixel if I do over here. And again, font size I need to decrease. So I will simply say 12 pixel. Okay, 12 pixel is perfect for you. And this kind of like looking perfect only, not bad, not good. Okay, and yeah, that is the only thing. Sir, I need laptop to complete the project? Yes, of course you will need the laptop, and yeah, of course, that is the thing. Perfect. So I think this is as of now sufficient as of now. Okay, whatever update to this will be shared with you. Whatever updates are there regarding this particular page will be shared with you. Okay, on the GitHub. Make sure you are just watching this video one more time, going to GitHub, reviewing the code, how I have made the changes and something like that. Okay. In tomorrow's class, again, I will explain you how to do the changes, and we are going to see sign up and logged in functionality in tomorrow's class. But again, before closing this particular session, guys. Okay, so now comes the important announcement. So first, can you guys let me know who is excited for the announcement that I'm going to do right now? Just let me know who is excited for the announcement that I'm going to do right now. Attendance link, of course, I am here for sharing attendance link only, not to teach you. Just attendance link daily. Daily I will come, share the attendance link, will go. That's it. Perfect. So I think some people have already guessed it, sir. What is CA internship? What is CA? What is CA? Right. I will tell you. Okay, so I have from DevTown, we have a very, very good and big opportunity for all of you guys. Okay, so we are having one program for the students like you who are more enthusiastic. Okay, okay, so we are having a program by the name Campus Ambassador. Perfect. Okay, so you might be thinking, sir, what is Campus Ambassador and why you are giving that thing, why you are launching this program, something like that. Perfect. Okay. So campus ambassador means what? Campus ambassador is the person who is who is the face of DevTown at your campus. So like at, let's say if you are studying at DTU, okay. So you are the face of DevTown at DTS. If you are a campus ambassador of DevTown, okay. Are you guys understanding me? Perfect. Okay. So we are having a good opportunity from DevTown side. Okay. For you students, if you want to become campus ambassador at DevTown, okay. So you might be thinking, so sir, why would anyone want to be the campus ambassador for DevTown? Why anyone would want to be the face of DevTown at their college? What are the advantages? So as a student, I also used to think, so what is the advantage do I get from this particular thing whenever some company comes to our college and something like that? Correct. First thing I will tell you. Okay, the advantages of becoming a campus ambassador with DevTown. Perfect. What you guys are gonna get, right? So the very first thing, just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second, guys. I will be coming back to you. Okay. So campus ambassador means what? Okay, that thing I have already mentioned to you. Okay. Apart from that, what you are gonna get as a campus ambassador. First thing, you are gonna get to organize events for DevTown at your college, okay, at your university. If you are studying in university, any specific university, correct. You are gonna get the exploration to different kinds of field. It can be marketing, it can be working as a business development. Okay. Again, apart from that, okay, we are having one exclusive course on this particular field, full stack web development and data science. Okay, which is a combined course of 30 hours long that we are going to provide to our campus ambassadors. Okay, whoever is our campus leader, we are going to take care of that particular candidate. We are going to take care of that particular student. Okay, so we are having 30 hours long duration of classes on what? Full stack web development, which is having projects such as the Flipkart clone that we are building today, that we are building in this particular boot camp. So entire Flipkart clone is built there with the help of React, proper backend, all these things are there. Pixel perfect design we are trying to keep over there in every project that we have created for our campus ambassadors. Not only Flipkart clone, we are having this Google Drive clone, we are having Netflix clone. Okay, so you might have seen that Shaurya sir is teaching you the Netflix clone. You might have attended the previous boot camps on Google Drive clone, Hotstar clone. Okay, so all this content is exclusive basically for whom? For only the campus ambassadors. That is the very first thing. Okay. Apart from that, being a campus ambassador, you will also get some prizes, some exciting prizes from DevTowns. Okay, you are also gonna get the certificate for appreciation. Let me share the certificate with you as well. Just give me 1 second, guys. Yes, I think if you are visible, if you are able to see, we are having this certificate of appreciation that I'm going to share with you. Okay, as a DevTown, we are going to like give the certificate of appreciation to you guys as well. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, apart from that, you are gonna get the swags from our side, and you don't know this thing that like this is a very internal thing in DevTown that we are conducting. So every month, okay, every month we are conducting some exclusive sessions with the company expert. So last month only we have conducted one session where SD3 level of developers come and join that particular session, okay, and give the insights of company and help our campus ambassadors to grow in their personal career path, okay, in their personal life as a person as well and as a corporate person as well, okay. So these are the exclusive sessions, so that are like they are only available for campus ambassadors only, and also they will get the opportunity to get the stipend. They are also going to get the stipend as well if they are performing really good and during the tenure of campus ambassadors. First thing, like, so are you guys like understanding what I'm trying to mention? Okay, are you guys understanding? No, there is no charge for becoming campus ambassador. We are taking 0 rupees. How much? 0 rupees. Okay, so there is no charge at all for becoming campus ambassadors. Okay, only one criteria is there, guys. Okay, so in today's attendance form, I have mentioned one thing that if you want to become campus ambassador, you have to click yes over there that yes, I'm interested in joining the campus ambassador program or campus ambassador internship. Okay. Or at the end of the campus ambassador internship, which is going to be for a period of 2 months. Okay. You are going to get a certificate, and that certificate you can also use. Okay. You can also use that certificate in your resume. You can show that thing to the interviewers. Not only this certificate of campus ambassadorship, you are also going to get, okay, opportunities for internship at the companies such as Microsoft, Google, and Flipkart that we are having connections with. Okay, so that person which is coming to give you the exclusive talks, okay, on every month we are having one session, only one session per month. That's it. He's going to give you some tips, and he's also going to give you most probably the internship offers as well. Okay, because as you know, like the senior people in the company, they have the access to give internship to the new candidates that they are coming. First thing, right? Okay, so those who are still having this thing like, okay, where is attendance form? Where is attendance form? Everyone is like, where is attendance form? Arey, wait, guys, wait. Just be patient. Don't be in hurry. It is just like 7:32. I know some people are giving me the reason that sir, you also have to attend Shaurya sir's class. But again, that class is at 8:15. I know that thing. Okay, so just don't be in hurry. You have half an hour to like to finish your dinner, and then also you can join his class. Perfect. So can you guys let me know first of all in the chat how many of you are interested in becoming the face of DevTown at your college? Who want to become the representative of DevTown at your college? Okay, and also we are gonna show you as a face of DevTown at your college. Are gonna be famous as well. Okay, that is another perspective of becoming a campus ambassador. But again, there are lots of advantages. Perfect. Uh, so the criteria for that is in attendance. I have mentioned one thing that is if you want to become the campus ambassador, just click on yes and submit the form. If no, then just no. Then apart from that, after submission of this today's attendance form, someone from DevTown is going to call you. Okay, someone from DevTown is going to call you. Make sure whatever email address you are entering, whatever mobile number you are entering in today's attendance form, it should be perfect. It should be right. Don't give any fake email ID, and don't give any email IDs which are not working currently. Give the updated and the email IDs which are working currently. Apart from that, okay, in 3 days, someone from DevTown is going to call you, and they will give you one task for one candidate. Okay, the task can be anything. Like let's say from DevTown, they can ask you to arrange one event. The event related to technical things only, not non-technical events. Okay, for DevTown. If you are able to successfully do the thing, okay, DevTown is going to help you with that thing, how to arrange the events and all those things. Whatever we are going to tell you, okay, we are going to teach you all the things free of cost, and those who are successfully completing that first task, okay, and then we are going to induct all those students. They are going to get the offer of joining from the DevTown as a campus ambassador for 2 months of internship. Okay, so that is the whole journey of this campus ambassador program. I hope everyone has understand whatever I have shared right now. Perfect. So let me know. Yeah, I'm gonna share now the attendance form with you. Just hold on for 1 second. Just hold on for 1 second. Okay, so yes, I have added the today's. I have added today's attendance form in the comment section. Okay, make sure everyone is filling it out. Everyone is filling it out. Okay, and just stop commenting for few minutes. Just stop commenting for 1 minute so that everyone cost of internship is 0 rupees. You just have to complete one task, and that will be your entry point to the campus ambassador program if you are successfully completing it. Okay, and I promise you guys that you are not gonna regret this opportunity. Okay, whoever is going to become this campus ambassador. Okay, whoever is attendance form I have shared, guys. I am asking you guys, don't spam one thing. Okay, so you are not going to regret, and you are going to get what you can say. You are going to get a really good experience, and also it will help you to increase your what you can say presence in the market. It will help you to network yourself in the IT domain in front of SD3 level developers. Perfect. So that is the thing. Mr. Abhijit, attendance. Why you are asking? I think Mr. Abhijit, I know. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. What will be your responsibilities as a campus ambassador? Okay. So I think I have explained that thing many more time, but again, I will. Yes, there is option for CA. Just scroll down and you will find it. Just scroll down and you will find it. There is one option for CA to become CA. Let me share my screen as well. I think then you will be able to understand what is asking me again. Okay, perfect. See, I have shared my screen, and if you just scroll down on the last, you are having this particular option: become a citizen of DevTown. What is CA eligibility? All the things, roles and responsibilities, and all the names, all the things are there. And see, you are gonna get exciting gifts, cash prizes, merchandise of DevTown, the T-shirt of DevTown, and the certificates. As I already promised these things. Okay, and just click yes if you want to do the free internship and become a part of this amazing community. If you don't want to become, then click on no. Everything is perfect. Okay, it's up to you. We are providing you the opportunity. We are giving you the stage. It's up to you if you want to do it or not. Yeah, the task and all these things you are will be telling you on call. Okay, so yeah, there is nothing like that. So after clicking yes, if we change our mind, then can we refuse letter to the person who will contact us? Man, if you are not if you are not interested, why you are clicking yes at the first? Okay, if you are saying yes, you have to be firm believer. If you are saying yes, you have to do the task. Yes, someone has asked me how to submit the final project. Yeah, I think on the final day I will explain it to you. I think Rutuja is asking me, sir, where is the GitHub link? What I will do, yeah, what I will do now, I will open this GitHub. See, I have shared my screen, guys, and on my screen, as you can see, there is one resources folder of DevTown. So just type this particular address in your browser, and you will be able to get the thing. Apart from that, this link I will also ask our editor to add it in the description of every bootcamp. Okay, if you are not typing it out. Okay, perfect. So yeah, that's the only thing. Codes in the GitHub code will be update by today's night. So by 11:12 today, even today 12 p.m. I will be updating it. 11 p.m. is what I'm saying. Sorry. Okay. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Today's boot camp. I hope everyone has filled out the attendance form, and a lot of you are interested in Campus Ambassador program is what I'm expecting. Okay. So can you create a bootcamp for backend for this Flipkart clone? No, I'm gonna. Oh, let's see. Let's see. We're having one bootcamp in a line, so of course we'll try to create one bootcamp. Yes, of course we are gonna create one bootcamp on backend. We are having that bootcamp scheduled, I guess, but don't know whether it is on Flipkart backend. It is a e-commerce backend, but not like e-commerce backend is as same as Flipkart backend. You will be able to understand that thing. No issues, no issues. Today's code is not pushed. Yes, I know. I will push it. Okay, I will push it. Don't worry, don't worry. After 7 days of resume, can we put this certificate in? Yes, you can. Of course, you can. Of course, put this certificate in your resume. Yeah, of course, people are putting it in. People are really putting it in their resume. So yeah, that is not the thing. Okay. So yeah, I will also show you how people are putting their things. Just give me 1 second. So after every boot camp, okay, we ask our students, okay, to actually share their certificates on the LinkedIn platform. Okay, these will help us as a company, as a community to grow. Okay, all these things are there. Okay, so on the last day, I will show you. I will give you my LinkedIn ID. I will give you Shaurya's LinkedIn ID. I think if you are already connected, well and good. If you don't know, you can search for my name as well, Vikrant Rao. You can search for Shaurya Sinha's name, and I think in the description of this particular bootcamp, you are having the LinkedIn and Instagram IDs of the respective founders. Correct? Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so I'm ending this particular bootcamp for today. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. I will see you tomorrow, and one more time, I will add this attendance link. Whoever is not able to get it, please register yourself. Please fill the attendance form. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for joining in. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be more interesting session. Thank you so much. Good night. Bye bye, everybody.